From calm aerial sweeps over Wellington, a coppery hive rises from the city's harbor, a skyline with a secret buzz. Then the beehive reveals itself, a beehive-shaped shell housing New Zealand's parliament and executive offices. Designed by Basil Spence and completed in 1969, its spiraling ramps symbolize collaboration, reform, and a playful national spirit. Despite its bold look, critics labeled it unconventional, while visitors remember the modern, sunlit chambers and memorable tour. Would you live here or simply beam at its beehive bravado as you wander this architectural oddity?